Stop holding yourself back because of your age. Stop holding yourself back because of how much money you have. Stop holding yourself back because how much knowledge you have. In a second, I'm going to give you some stories of people with very little knowledge that started some podcasts. Stop holding yourself back because your native tongue. Stop holding yourself back because of anything. Start your podcast, grow your podcast, and get over your effing self. Who cares if you're old? Who cares if you're young? Who cares if you speak this language or that language? Who cares if you're black, white, brown, or yellow? Who cares what color you are, right? What race you are, what nationality you are. That stuff shouldn't hold you back. In fact, it could help you. It could absolutely benefit you. We already talked about how Spanish could help you. The 4 of the 5 biggest growing podcasts are in Spanish. 4 of the 5 biggest growing countries of listeners are Spanish speaking. Same thing with Mandarin. Maybe you speak Chinese. Maybe you can speak Mandarin. Well, one of the top growing countries currently as podcast listeners are people in that country. And so it could really benefit you that you speak Mandarin. You could do your whole podcast in Spanish or Mandarin or was recently on vacation and met some people from Brazil, Portuguese. And I learned a little bit of Portuguese, basically how to cheers, how to do their special cheers with every time you want to toast. But I still had this opportunity to meet with people in different countries. And I want those people, each of you, your friends, to know that none of these things should hold you back. Your age, your gender. I have a few clients that are women, and I've definitely had conversations with a lot of women in real estate who felt like I can't do real estate investing because everybody who gets on stage is a man. Some of the women that I've served as podcasts said to me, I'm not sure if I should start a podcast because it's kind of like a man's world. All of the other men in real estate all of the other podcasters in real estate are men in real estate. And why would I start it? No, is anyone going to listen? Whatever it is, age, gender, race, color, we all hold ourselves back. We all do. There is this interesting thing that happens with imposter syndrome. We see people like us and say we can't also be like them. We see people not like us and say we can't even do the thing. It's going to happen to all of us. So just get over your damn self and start your podcast, grow your podcast, put it out in front of people. Don't bother how old you are or any of those other things that we talked about.